What up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Trendlines Trader. My name is Offense, and I'm taking this time to welcome you all. Please, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to do today's daily analysis as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, can say that Yesterday it was not a good day actually for trading, but the market moved. Remember that the price will always move even if I'm not trading or even if you are not trading. But if it's not a good, I don't like to trade on Mondays. I'm starting to trade on the Tuesdays. Besides, let's focus on our charts without wasting any time. I don't want this video to be long. I'm gonna try by all means to make it short. So, ladies and gentlemen, starting with our favorite what do you call our favorite instrument, NASDAQ. I know NASDAQ is everybody's favorite instrument to trade. Most people like to trade the NASDAQ, and I'm on 1 hour time frame. I'm on a daily time frame. Excuse me, something distracted me. I was looking for the ball pen, I couldn't find it, so now sorted. We can continue, ladies and gentlemen. We can see that our price respected this level. I'm gonna try to extend this triangle so that, or zoom in, so that we can be able to tell the price respected this level. I hope this is visible. I'm gonna remove this one because it's no longer relevant. We can see that my ball pen is taking long now. Where is the ball pen? Where is it? It's supposed to pop up. There we go. Here is my ball pen. Hi, ball pen. So, ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to show you guys this area right here, that our price. Okay, now my mouse is making. Okay, I wanted to show you this level, that our price respected this level as it presented a lower high to us, and now this level is confirmed that it's our lower low, because the price broke. As you can see, the price pushed towards the downside to break this level, and now we're just having a retest. We could have another selling momentum, or we could witness another selling movement towards the downside there. That's as we all understand, or we all know, that our price is still inside this bearish channel or bearish trend. Let me reset my chart so that you guys can understand what I'm talking about. We can see this channel right here. This is my diagonal support and diagonal resistance. You can see the price has been pushing towards downside passively and correctively. Passively towards downside. While we were expecting for the corrective move, the price didn't present that corrective move to us, but the price decided to push towards the downside. As you can see, it was passively pushing towards the downside. We are still on a selling trend or selling channel. But one thing that I want you to remember or to witness is that the price has managed to find a support. Let me do this. The price has managed to find the support at this level, but I don't think it's a strong support. As you can see, the price is okay. The price broke this level, and now we are retesting, and the price managed to find a support at this level. One thing that we should look out for is the bearish movements or momentum, or the selling momentum, as the price is retesting the level. So if the price respects this level, it's gonna push towards the downside, and if it doesn't, it's gonna break the level and we will have a retest and continue with that bullish trend or bullish momentum. So one thing I want you guys to understand, this is a daily time frame. Let's go closer to the price and be able to witness, but don't forget that the price is about to reach our diagonal support, which it was respected for previous time, couple of times. As you can see, this was the touches the price or the movements the price presented to us respecting this diagonal resistance, and we could see the same thing happening to the present moment where the price is at that diagonal support zone. So ladies and gentlemen, the price could push towards the upside. We could see a bullish momentum towards the upside, just because we are at the diagonal support and we are retesting horizontal support. So I believe we have to look for buying buying trades. If you don't want to look for buying trades, you could wait for the price to push a little bit up before you think of selling, because this is a selling trend. I don't want you to wait for days for the price to reach the diagonal resistance there, because you want to make some moolah, right? You want to make some cent, some cashing, so you will have to push with the price or trade with what the price is giving you. But let's move closer to the price with the lower time frame, so that we can tell whether the price is gonna be bullish for quite some time or is gonna take long. So I've been making analysis especially of this type of movement, so we could see something here. I want you guys to notice the price broke this level. As you can see, we pushed towards the downside and the price pushed towards the upside, where it respected that level to give us a resistance, which is our current resistance, the current resistance that we still wait to witness the price breaking before we reach that diagonal support. So diagonal resistance, my mistake, apologies. So don't forget that while we are on the 4-hour time frame, we still have to look for buying position, because we witnessed that on the 1-hour time frame the price was presenting some of structure of, or the structure of where it was able to push towards the downside or towards our diagonal support zone. So the price now, it's about to push towards the upside. So another thing that I want you guys to notice is that, remember, on a 4-hourly time frame, when the price was pushing pulsively towards the downside, we even managed, or we even had the diagonal resistance that we drew before. After the price broke the area, we didn't have or experience a major retest before we could push towards the upside to retest this current resistance. But now you can see the price was playing around, was consolidating around that area where it was supposed to break towards the upside, but the price decided to break the trend from the downside and pushed towards the downside. Now the price presented the retest of this diagonal resistance that I wanted you to be aware of. So you can see that we've been having a channel that the price has been respecting for quite some times, or presenting to us, and now we are retesting that diagonal resistance that trend or channel again after breakout, so the price will have to push towards the upside, since well we had to experience that impulsive move towards the downside. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you will understand that today, which is the 14th of June 2022, we expect to see the price pushing towards the upside. Another thing that I want you to be aware of, you can see that the price is already pushing towards the upside. Let me bring it closer to you. I'm starting with NASDAQ 100 so you guys can be able to understand where the NAS is going, because yeah, I know most of people loves NASDAQ 100. Ladies and gentlemen, please don't forget that we have social media handles. Our Facebook link is on the description down below. Also, our Instagram link is on the description down below. So I was about to show you that the price is already presenting some of rejection candlesticks or rejection candles pattern. As you can see, this is our not three black crow. Three black crow is when it's bearish. I think this is three white horses. Is it three white horses? Yeah, please try to check your candlestick patterns so that you can be familiarized with the type of candlesticks. When you see three bullish candlesticks, actually it's not just three, it's a bearish candlestick including these three. That there's a name for this type of pattern, that rejection pattern or reversal pattern that I want you guys to be aware of. Ladies and gentlemen, remember that I'm using 21 EMA, so I'm still waiting, or excuse me, I'm still awaiting to witness the price pushing towards my 21 EMA, closer towards my 21 EMA. And if the price respects the indicator, it won't break the indicator. It will respect it and push towards the downside, where I will be looking out for double bottom. As you can see, the price could push towards the upside, push towards the upside and push towards the downside to present this type of structure or pattern, the double bottom. So for now, I'm trying to advise you to look out for the bullish momentum, so that when we are at the 21 EMA or exponential moving average, we could also look for the price or for the bearish momentum before we could expect that bullish movement. That's how the price move. The price won't just shoot straight towards the upside, but it will always move in formation, this type of formation. As you can see, this type of wave formation. Ladies and gentlemen, I really appreciate your time for watching these videos that I'm trying to present to you on a daily basis. Please, those who haven't subscribed yet, please do so to subscribe. You just need a click. Just click on the red button, and don't forget that bell button. Tap on that bell button also, so that you can be notified for the future uploads. I believe that you guys are gonna make sure that you subscribe and not gonna disappoint me. Ladies and gentlemen, let's look at our gold. You remember that my plan or my vision for now is to check the gold and NASDAQ analysis, technical analysis. So for now, we are focusing on gold and our NASDAQ 100. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to say to you, please, you must never forget that in a day each and every day whenever you wake up. Please try to get yourself motivated so that you can have a peaceful day. Sometimes when you are not motivated, when you are not strongly motivated, you won't have a peaceful day, because you will continue worrying, you will continue asking yourself questions like, who am I? What am I made of? Will I ever be successful? So I'm trying to motivate you at the moment, saying that to you. Try by all means to motivate yourself. Try to read some motivational books, or watch some motivational videos, or even listen to some of motivational podcast from your Spotify, so that you can get yourself motivated. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our instrument gold. Without wasting any time, let's focus on our gold, and so that we can be able to see what is happening during the opening session. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm on a daily time frame. We can see that gold is still playing around our diagonal support. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm showing you. For a while, we've been witnessing gold pushing towards the upside, being bullish, as you can see with the graph there, or with the trend there that I drew, that the price has been very bullish. As you can see, it's been pushing passively towards the upside, and correctively so towards the downside, and now the price is respecting the level, came back to retest the level, and now the price is respecting the level again. Why I'm saying it's respecting, actually it might respect, it might not respect it. As you can see, it was pushing correctively towards the downside, and still struggling to push towards the upside, passively towards the upside. We had this consolidation. The price presented the consolidation structure to us, and now it has managed to break the support zone, that bottom part, the support area, where the price now is retesting the level, and we could see the price retesting our diagonal support again. If not, the price won't respect the support, the horizontal support. It could retest before we witness another type of bullish momentum, might break our resistance before we could say we are heading towards the moon. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, this is gold, and this is our daily time frame. Please don't take my opinion for effect, but remember that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a retail trader like you guys. I'm trying to share with you what could possibly happen during the opening session. So if there's anyone wants to make a decision, remember that decision, you make the decision on your own of following or trading my signals or my analysis, technical analysis. So I'm not gonna be held responsible for any loss of cash, in terms of you thinking that I was advising you for, I was giving you a financial advice. I'm not financial advisor. That is my disclaimer. Ladies and gentlemen, remember that we are on a 4-hourly time frame. Gold is been presenting this type of consolidation movement. We can see we had the bearish flag and it broke. Corrective move, instead of reaching the resistance, gold made a U-turn at that point, and you can see we are having this choppy move. Now it gave us a fake break, but this time it clearly shows that it's not a fake break, it's a true break, where you can see the price is now retesting the level, and we could see our price pushing towards the downside. One thing I can tell you, I'm not gonna be entering any or entering or enter any trades for Gold, I'm not gonna trade gold today. I can see that it's not happening for me. But one thing you can see, we can see that gold has been presenting this rejection candlestick, which is a pin bar. It consists of the body and the long wick. Remember, this is a strong level. If it doesn't break, rather wait for it to be broken before you look for the buys. Don't place the buys while we are at the retest, because the price could still push towards the downside. That's my goal for today. I'm looking for the price has broken this horizontal support, so I'm looking forward to the price push towards the downside to retest our diagonal support again, or I'm looking for the price breaking. If the price breaks the level, I'm gonna wait for the retest and continue with that bullish momentum. Ladies and gentlemen, I really appreciate your time once again. Those who haven't subscribed, I would like to remind you to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you can be notified for future uploads. And I would like us to communicate also on our social handles. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not the one who's making this channel to be what it is, but it's you, the subscribers, who are making the channel what it is. Please do not forget to comment on the comments down below, because I will really love to hear from you guys each and every day. When I go through the channel, I will be looking out for the comments, and it's so sad when you come in, you find, or you log in, you find no comments on the channel, and you are like, people do watch the videos but they don't comment. Comment, doesn't matter whether it's negative or positive. And don't forget to click the sharp button, man, because that sharp button really push our videos to reach other people out there. Ladies and gentlemen, those who are always subscribing to our channel, I say salute.